Meaning of human right.
Human right.
Human right.
Human right.
Human right. Human rights are the fundamental rights and freedoms that every individual is entitled to, simply by virtue of being human. They are universal, indivisible, and inalienable, meaning that they apply to all people regardless of their nationality, race, gender, religion, or any other status. Examples of human rights include the right to life, liberty, and security of the person, the right to freedom of expression and association, and the right to education and healthcare. Upholding human rights is essential for creating a just and equitable society where everyone can live with dignity and respect.